Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yes.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. Yes.
Me.
My name is Michael.
We are
The Stalwart lovers. Yes. So this continuation of our vlog in Calgary. Yeah. If you've not seen the first vlog, just go and check it out. Our travel vlog where we meet Pastor Kingsley and Pastor Mildred.
Yeah.
Awesome. It was a great time with them yesterday.
And a lot of other fun stuff.
Yes. Right now we're in Uber. We're going to church.
Yeah.
We're actually late. A little bit late, but not too much. And after church, we're going to see the Ulti Love train.
Yeah.
I know some of you are very excited, especially those of you who are fans and you follow them. Amazing couple. So we're going to see them today. I mean, we can't come to Calgary and not see them. So we reached out to them and they were so gracious to be open to that. So we'll see them and then we'll carry you guys along on that.
Yeah.
Before then, we're going to church.
All right, guys.
Bye. I cannot believe how cold I am feeling in this car.
Me that and now was in steering.
Who sent you message?
It's not even. And the steering, it's not even ring.
This is the
Guys.
Where's Uncle Boo?
It's cold, very it's cold.
It's very cold right now, guys. It's literally 23 degrees. Let me now check.
I don't even get
Let me check what it feels like.
How did you stick around?
Feels like minus 32.
Hey.
And it's in the afternoon. There's sun.
Oh God of mercy.
The funny thing is this.
Oh God of Argentina.
Look at the sun. I'm telling you.
And the sun is brilliant.
I guys, look at. Can you see it? So brilliant. Anyway, I cannot film like this for too long. But yeah.
Oh God of mercy on Argentina. By the way, congratulations to Argentina and congratulations to Paste, because this is the birthday gift Paste I've always wanted. Messi holding the World Cup. When the game was looking so hot, I was just like, Paste, I'm praying for you. Anyway, let's go and see the Ulti Love train. Yay! Hi, your house is warm. Oh, how are you doing? Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Meet you.
Thank you. Nice.
This is our delectable host.
Oh.
Hey. Ulti Love train in the building. Let Calgary with love in their building. I'm blushing.
Photographers are usually shy.
Photographers are usually shy.
Photographers are actually usually shy of camera.
Hey, that's a revelation.
Why used to be behind, not in front?
Let's put you in front now.
Oh God, your size they always
What's your
change.
first name? Our food is Shay.
Coming into
Yes.
TLC and shade.
Won't get to
You know what you do.
You know how it is.
Oh my God, because not I go by Dorothy online, right? But I still
Yeah,
tell
that
people
was
here my
the
name
name
is
I saw.
Toyosi. Like,
Oh.
they should buy
Is
their
it
stuff.
Dorothy that even made me feel like maybe she's from Namibia? Or something?
It's not Namibia and you resemble this
Yes, now.
No.
It's
But the accent is always going to give you away.
Yeah, the accent gives you away.
No, accent is very unique.
No matter what, you cannot just hide it.
Hi.
Hey. Life in Calgary. They don't want to use code finish us.
How many codes?
Feels like minus 37.
You go chest out.
Even inside me, it's a shake.
You didn't shake.
I miss my Ontario. It's Ontario people. Mumbo. I'm coming back.
Guys,
So we are coming to see the lights, the Christmas light, something.
and it's so cold.
Well, I got Calgary. Yay! Miku has found a friend. Miku, okay, dance for me. Dance, 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 dance. Hey, hey, hey. Sister Bay, how are you feeling?
Feeling cold.
But it's warmer.
It's warm in here. That's some people take off their jackets.
In Spain, it's more going to a party. You have dinner.
We could jump.
What do you mean that's not juggling? I am clearly juggling.
Jump.
3. Who brought you? You know what? It's okay, because I have had someone like you in my audience before. That's why I brought with me a 3rd juggling ball. Do you guys want to see me juggle all 3 juggling balls? Tell you what, how about this? I'm going to hold on to ball number 1, and I'll give you ball number 2. Hold it really tight, 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 tight. Squeeze it as tight as you can. Up high. No, higher. No, higher. Higher. Okay, good enough. You guys ready for the magic? All we're going to do is give a little snap and go, hoo! Did you catch it? Did you catch it, though? Let's see.
That was cool.
Did you guys see how that happened? Did you see it jump? Here, how about this? I'll show you how it was done, okay? You take 2 balls, place it in your hand, give a little snap, and you guys know what happens when you snap? What happens? They're gone. No, you make a 3rd one. I said you make a 3rd. Oh, that's not what you meant. Okay. Hold out your hands just like this. We're going to try something a little bit different. You got to be careful with this one, because this one feels a little bit odd. Yeah? How many balls is Aaliyah holding on to? 15. There's 3, all right. If I take one of those away, place one into the pocket, how many is she left with? 2, all right. We'll take the second one into the hand, and the last one into the pocket, leaving how many in the hand? 1. 4. What are you getting 4? You're guessing? Okay, sounds like we need to start again. Okay, we have 3 balls, right? Now, hold on to all 3. Now, if I take one of those away, place one into the pocket, we take the second one into the hand, and the last one into the pocket, leaving how many in the hand? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sounds like you guys are guessing. Let's just start again. Okay, we have 3 balls, right? Now, hold on to all 3. Now, follow closely, okay? We take one. Place one into the pocket, all right? We take the second one. That one goes into the hand. And the last one goes into the pocket, leaving how many in the hand? 3. 3. Sounds like you guys are just guessing. Yeah, there's none. All right, big round of applause for our assistant here. Thank you so much. You can go ahead and take your seat.
Is this the bell? Yeah. Oh, awesome. Look at the dress.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful. Bye. Wow, guys.
I got passport here, okay? Passports. Passports.
Look at mine too. Mine is upside down. Wow. Oh, is this some sort of Chinatown? Wow. And then this is the dragon. Wow.
So guys, this is China. This is the Republic of China. Everywhere decorated China-like. Then when you get to that place, you stamp your passport. Oh, I've been to China. See that lady stamping Our passports. So cute. We're going to another country now.
End of summer.
Which country are we now?
So you're India in front of you.
India. Welcome to India. Oh, I see India. Mira Pratap, let's go and stamp our Indian passport. I have been to India.
Yay!
Passport from.
It's from the
From the
front.
entrance.
From the entrance.
Is it on the right or left?
So coming from the main entrance to the right. But she's not there right now. She was there before she was giving it out.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so we are stamp this thing.
Sorry, I wanted to get it right. Woo, we've been to India. Yay!
Hey,
Yay!
that's the stamp of India.
India.
Our world travelers of
As in one trip, at Israel or China.
Ontario
We've gone to China, we've gone to India.
to Calgary.
To China, to India.
Now they're in India. This must be the most economical trip.
I didn't know they were
ever.
stamping it.
$20 per ring.
$20.
Very.
Oh, cheap gun.
Yeah, our
So it's so
country,
cheap.
expensive business.
Thank you.
Sister Bay, immigration officer. Immigration officer of Great India.
India.
India has done me well with that takeaway. So this is India, guys. See this building? Yeah, Great India with the. Oh, this is another country. This is Mexico. Oh, where is it? Is Mexico or France? I'm coming back. Mira Pratap. Nangri nai. Hey, how did this guy do it? Namaste, namaste.
We are going. Yeah.
Sister Bay.
This looks so nice. Like going through the lights.
Lovers lights.
Yeah, so
You look so cute though. Is this girl my wife? Oh Lord. One more time basically. One more time basically now. Oh, but you're fine. Oh, I see them at the back.
yeah, with the glasses.
That brave. She's just standing like, oh, just let it done and pay me my money. Smile for the camera. Welcome to France. Most traveled couple of the year. Oh wow, babe. I put over. No need to go to France again. We are here. Wow. Oh wow, this is actually really beautiful. Our immigration officer at it again. Please stamp our passport. Just stamp it anyhow. What you do? Yes, you've been to Paris. Paris Saint-Germain. Yeah, that's PSG. Woohoo! Thank you. Timade Embassy, Timade Immigration in France. Oh, what a story. And this is Mexico, the land of plants. This is Netherlands. Oh, this is the Netherlands. I'm looking for my friends here. My friends in the Netherlands, Amsterdam, Tonero. I beg, this stamping thing don't tire me.
Yes, I don't know we are here. Get get all the stamps.
Hope you not pay money per stamp when you are going out. Yeah. Oh, Christmas in the Netherlands. This is beautiful. Oh, that's Great Britain. Wow, United Kingdom. Oh, man, this is some creativity.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Larry. The booth Big Ben.
Look at the bridge, the London Bridge. It's not London Bridge.
I'm not sure.
No, TMO. Get that one, go by. Oh, this is beautiful. Come and see this old telephone.
Yeah, like a telephone booth.
Yeah, telephone booth.
You can actually enter.
Hi, are you guys ready for your train ride?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Awesome. Miko, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go and ask Daddy and Mommy. Okay, Mommy is here. Hey Daddy, are you excited for your train ride?
I don't need babysitter. Come on for here. Come on.
Are you excited?
Go away.
You're supposed to be excited.
This is a $1 billion train. $1 million look. Bye-bye, Jesha.
Bye-bye, Jesha. Bye-bye, Jesha. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Miko?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
We are going on a train ride.
I'm going on a train ride.
Yay.
You know, people that do not have play when they are children, it's now when they are adults that they can be doing play. So, as my parents did not take me to park like this, I'll take myself and I will enter play. Hello!
Hey, Stalwart lovers! Trying to shoot my husband.
I want to see Santa.
You want to see what?
Santa.
You want to see Santa? What about you?
Me see Santa.
You want to see Santa? Okay, let's go see Santa. Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Maya, why are you not excited? Santa is there? Oh my God! Wait a minute, hold on. We'll see Santa now, okay? Oh, this is beautiful. Are you happy to see Santa? Oh my God, look at the heart. That's so cute. Smile.
Smile.
Hello, Santa.
Introducing you to Santa.
Santa Claus is going to town.
Not this way. Why are you looking at your future like that?
It is your sweet response for me. Bring us something back.
Oh my god.
So, Ileya,
Ileya. Oh.
you don't try.
Yeah, so this is a vlogmas, one of the vlogmas.
Yes,
vlogs,
so
right?
this is one day in our
life.
Calgary experience.
Yeah.
So we'll move again tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Alright guys.
Keep loving, keep believing.
Yeah,
We are the Stalwart lovers.